Guess what? It's been a long time since we started this relationship. And even though I know you for a very long time, thinking back those days, especially the day I first met you, makes me feel amazed. Because in that moment, I had no idea on how you would have such impact on me. You know what? Every morning I wake up with a smile on my face as I recall the dream I have of you. Warm smile, beautiful eyes, soft hands, and the laugh I never get tired of hearing. But you know what? The best thing is when I realize that I don't have the dream no more. Because literally, you're my dream come true. Seeing you and being with you is priceless and a moment I wish would never end. You make me feel something, a thing that there is no need for me to pretend. As well, it just happened. And I think this is the thing we call love. And to be honest, I didn't really know what this kind of love is until you came into my life. You taught me that love is not all about giving. It's not all about chocolates, flowers, and some fancy romantic gifts. But it's all about sharing the things that we felt in common, sharing the trust, the happiest moment we have, and sharing our love to the people around us. And also, sharing the same spiritual mindset we have. Now I do know what this kind of love is, and it's simply because of you. Loving you is so special and you return it so sweet. Cause you always give me the time and care when I need it the most. We both called each other palangga to show how much we care. You text and call almost every day to tell how your day went. And through all the days we have been together, we have known each other's flaws. We sometimes don't understand each other, we sometimes fight, and we sometimes shows our flaws. But even though sometimes those things happens, we always ended up solving it. Because we trust and respect each other and prove that love is much stronger than anything else. Roses are red, violets are blue. The best thing here is I ended up loving you. I know this message is not much, but I hope you like it. Roses are red, violets are blue. I just want to remind you on how thankful I am having you. And yes, roses are red, violets are blue. I never loved someone the way I love you. And as what you say, words isn't enough to show the unconditional I have for you. Thank you for being my inspiration, best friend, and lover. And even though days, months, and years pass, I still really want to be with you. And before I end this thing up, I just want you to know that I couldn't have imagined and how good my life would get from the moment that I met you. Bea Marie, I love you palangga.